welcome to TIS English lesson. Today we're going to be practicing our combination letters. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 combinations we're going to practice today. So we're going to start with number 1, the first one. So our first letter is S. Our second letter is P. So what sound does S make? S makes the S sound. Our second letter, P, makes the P sound. So if we put S and P together, they make the SP sound. S and P make the SP sound. Our second one, we have letter B. And the second letter is R. So letter B makes the B sound. Letter R makes the R sound. Let's put them together. So we have B, R. We put them together. That makes the BR sound. Next one, we have letter F. And our second letter is R. So letter F makes the F sound. And letter R makes the R sound. So we put them together. F and R makes the FR sound. So let's review. We have SP, BR, and FR. So we'll do the next one. We have letter C, and our second letter is letter R. So letter C makes the K sound, and letter R makes the R sound. If we put them together, we have K and Together, they make the CR sound. Our next one, we have letter B. And our second letter is letter R. So we have the P sound and the sound. If we put them together, we make the PR sound. And our next one, we have letter G. And our second letter is letter R. So letter G makes the G sound. And letter R makes the R sound. So we put them together, we have G and R. We put them together, that makes the GR sound. So next, we have this sheet here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. We're going to figure out what sounds do they start with. So the first thing we do when we have a new sheet, we have to write our name. Let's write our name. So what's the first thing we see? What's this here? This is a spider. So what 2 letters does spider begin with? So we can hear the s and the p sound. So those 2 letters are S and P. Spider. Our next one, we have a present. Present. So we have the p sound and the R sound. So what 2 letters do we need? We need P and R. P, R. Present. Our next one, what animal is this? This is a frog. Frog. What 2 letters do we need? We need the f sound and the R sound. So we need letter F and R. Frog. Next one, what do we have here? We see a flower, but what's under the flower? What's the green? A flower lives on grass. What 2 letters does grass start with? G and R. So we need letter G and letter R. we have this in the classroom. When we're cleaning the floors, we clean with a broom. So we need the b sound and the r sound. So what two letters do we need? We need the B sound and the R sound. Broom. And the last one, oh, when I'm sad, I cry. Cry. So what two letters are missing? What do we need? We need the k sound and the r sound. So we need letters C and R. So let's do this one more time. So we have a spider. S-P, spider. Next one. We have a present. Present. So we need P and R. Next one, frog. So we need F and R. Next one, we have grass. So we have gr. We need G and R. Next one, broom. So we need B and R. And last one, crying. Cr. We need C and R. So those are our 6 combination sounds we practiced today. Thank you. We'll see you again.